Alright, so this is my first video. A little review on this. This was about, what was it? About like $100 or something. Yeah, this was 30. This was 70. Anyway, damn. Almost choked. Alright, so I got this like great one. It's kind of, I don't know. It's the only one they had that I like, because most of them are like out of like order. But like cellophane wrap or some shit. It says Sprayground right there. Gotta focus. Anyway, so yeah, I got like a sharp mouth on it, kind of like, you know, like the babe pudding shit. That's what it looks like. And then it has a tag. Pretty cool tag. I'm gonna leave this on there. I know like it's gonna be hella big in my pocket, but it's too dope not to have it. It has like a shoelace kind of, the metal tips. Let's open this. A little hard. Alright. So like pig in there, keep it separated, I guess, or something. I don't know. Got one pocket. Just see that. One pocket. Second pocket. Third pocket. And then behind this has another one. So 4 pockets. Yeah, 4 pockets. And then the middle one has like a stitching tag, I guess. Limited edition, never produced again. So that's pretty cool. To be honest, it's like a premium wallet. Like, that makes sense, you know what I'm saying? Like, you get a wallet like, I had this one wallet from True Religion, hella thin, you know. But this got like some weight. The feel to it's nice. It's not it don't just feel like cheap, you know, like plastic. It just feel like it's leather, you know. Got a little give to it. So pretty cool overall. Then I got this backpack for what was it? I think it was like $70 or something. But I already have one, but I got it from Fanatics. It's like what is it? Got like Xeon on it. New Orleans. Kind of, it's themed like, looks like it's themed after $1 bill. But yeah, I got this on here, Sprayground. It's like Central New York, Midtown. Pretty cool. And has like a rubber tag right here. It's like stitched in. Also says Sprayground. I got the big ass shark thing. Pretty dope. In the back. And then one thing, it has like a little stash pocket right here. You know what I'm saying? Look. No, it's on. Let's see. A little pocket. Got like no light. Got a little pocket right there. And it has this card. It says Sprayground on it. And then on the back it says, congratulations. You found the infamous stash pocket. It's pretty could cool. So it's another reason I like these backpacks. It got a lot of pockets, you know. But not like, it don't look like it's like a, how I say, like a gadget one. It's not like those, like the cat kind of pockets, if that makes sense. And it has this pocket right here on the side. A little pocket. And the little tags right here. The one I got from Fanatics, it didn't come with this type. It was like a, what was it, like a plastic? No, not plastic. It was like a cardboard one. This one's like a, like all plastic. Backs, probably, yeah, like it has paper. And then this tag's different too, because the one I got was 2 million or some shit. This one has even double back though. So I'm gonna keep this on too because I just feel like you need to, you know, to get like that. Just gives it the like a nice effect. You know what I'm talking about, like that premium feel. And I got this little metal emblem. It says what does it sound? It says Sprayground Authentic. So that's pretty cool. It has like a rose kind of thing. Not rose, what is it? Leaves? So I don't know, some shit like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. A little weird. Anyway, we move on to this. This first pocket. Sorry. I only got one hand. Now you got this like net zipper. Like it's net pocket. Fucking light's bugging out. That's what happens when it broke. Anyway. So got a lot of packets. Here, hold up. I'm gonna get a light. I'll be back real quick. I got a light, so you see better. These look, so it has a zipper pocket. And it has like a pattern on it. Here, let me see. See that? Look, bro, I suck at this. It has like that all over it. And it has this pocket right here. So there's this pocket. Now this pocket, it's not that deep. I wish it was deeper. But then again, you know, you use that for something. I don't put like important paper you don't want to get folded up from like all this shit. I got a light, so you see it better. These look, so it has a zipper pocket. And it has like a pattern on it. Here, let me see. See that? Look, bro, I suck at this. It has like that all over it. And it has this pocket right here. So there's this pocket. Now this pocket, it's not that deep. I wish it was deeper. But then again, you know, you use that for something. I don't put like important paper you don't want to get folded up from like all the shit you put in it. If you, I don't know, some people would just collect these, but I don't know about collecting them. So has a patch on there too, the same one that's in the wallet, just bigger. So that's pretty dope too. It's, again, it just gives it that like premium feel. And the whole bag is like a felt kind of feel. You know what I'm talking about? Like imagine like the interior of like what a pimp's car would be. You know what I'm talking about? Like hella soft. And it just goes down. Still has a sharp pattern, you can see. But yeah, so just pretty big backpack. I mean, it's decent size. It's nothing. I mean, big, but you know, it's worth it. Worth buying if you want to, you know, take stuff with you. So let's see. There's a couple more pockets. It has this one on top. Damn. And then this one it's like felt too, like on the inside of the back. But I think that's because you're supposed to put your phone in there or something. Something that's not supposed to get scratched up. You know what I'm saying? Look, see it? I need to get like a better setup. It's just getting too hard. Y'all can see that. It's not too deep. It's enough to like fit a couple phones. Something that's like a phone size, you know? Fit your wallet and shit. Fuck, bro. Shit hella hard to zip up. That's it up. Anyway, so yeah, and then there's these two side pockets. They got Velcro on it. Now I tried to put a water bottle in my old one, the other one I got, and like it's too small. I don't know what it would fit. Maybe like it could definitely fit like a short water, like skinny water bottle, I guess. Nothing like what you call it, like a flash shape. It won't be able to fit that. It's on both sides, both the Velcro. A little bit of mist on there. Good Velcro though, they stick. You know what I'm saying? They stick like very decently actually. And they got like the strap thing for the fucking brother. For the what are these straps? So like they stay together so they ain't just, you know, like flinging everywhere. So that's pretty cool. And then on the straps has like this like pattern. I don't know. Kind of reminds me of like a Indian pattern, you know what I'm talking about? Like native Indian. That makes sense. They got like these perforations right here, kind of soft. And the same design goes up here. And they have like same materials on here. This is like it has like a little bit of texture on it, zigzag kind of thing. If you see that, kind of feels like plastic. That makes sense, like tarp plastic. But anyway, got more perforations up here. Just like a padded. This is soft. This feels good. The perforations still tag with the same design right here. Probably hook it back up. Got Sprayground right there. This is like I don't know how to explain it. You know what I'm saying? Like a patch kind of. It looks good, you know. It just all makes it look even more premium. So this also has it. And almost forgot this one. We got this bottom one right here. Now this could be used for like, I don't know, something devious, you know. Something devious. Cause if this were me, I'd put, I'm not gonna say what I put, but you know, you could put stuff in there and it's gonna be the last place someone's gonna be looking at your backpack, you know. They ain't gonna be seeing all this. They're gonna be looking out on the front, this side, you know. And even here, like put a couple joints up in there. Now, I don't know if they'd get crushed, but hey, you put in a plastic container, it'll all be good. Now, hold up, I'm gonna get my other one that I got from Sprayground. I got this Xeon one, right? Look at the difference. See, this one's a plastic, right? I mean, this one's cardboard, right? And my other one, let's compare these two. This one's, yeah, it's like plastic. It's hard. It's like just that. This one says NBA Lab. And then you look here, this is a 2 million. And this one has a different design on the back. Still is dope, you know, but it's just the difference. So overall, I prefer these, like this tag with the plastic one, because it just looks more dope, you know. But you know, it's like a $1 bill, so that's why I bought it. This was the coolest one. I wanted to get the Knicks one, but I just wasn't feeling the big ass eyeball. Had the same tag, same pockets, felt, everything. It's all cool. The only difference that I know of is this having a different tag. This is an NBA Lab tag. This is a special edition for the NBA, New Orleans. So, then again, you know, I wouldn't really go for these. I'd go for something better, like these. Now I am gonna buy what is it? It's like this $80 one. some shit. I'm gonna get that one. So yeah, everything's pretty cool. Definitely gonna buy from them again. Like, these are backpacks that you want. They're probably gonna last you a long time. And make sure you keep these tags on, because if you ever have like a rip or anything, or like some kind of like manufacturer defect or something, you could send it in, and you need to have this so they can prove that's authentic, and then they'll fix it up for you or replace it or whatever. So I wouldn't, if you're gonna cut this off, make sure you put it up somewhere where you know it's gonna be, or put it inside the backpack. So, but I don't want to cut mine off because it looks good without it, you know. It looks good with it. I mean, you know, this is dope. So yeah, thank you for watching.